Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. Want to know how to create scroll stopping reels with Canva? I'll walk you through it. Click the Create button to start a new entry. In the text field that appears, enter your Instagram address carefully. Double check for any mistakes before proceeding. This ensures your information is accurate and ready for the next steps. When you're finished, look for the Save or Continue button to confirm and move forward. Completing this step sets up your Instagram connection in the system. Next, add 4 slides to your presentation by clicking the New Slide button 4 times in succession. To close the window, locate the X icon in the top right corner and click it. This will exit the current window immediately. Add 4 black pages to your project by clicking the Add Page button 4 times. Each page will appear blank and black by default. This step is helpful if you need extra space or if you have specific visual requirements for your design or presentation needs. To add an instant effect like this, open the Effects panel and search for Instant. Drag the instant effect onto your clip in the timeline. The effect will be applied immediately, giving your video a quick boost in look. To add text, first select the Text tool from the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Click anywhere on your project workspace to create a text box. Type your desired content into the text box. You can resize or move the text box as needed by dragging the corners or edges. Adjust font style, size, and color using the options in the Text Properties panel on the right. We'll set the timer for one more 20-minute session. After this final session, we'll stop and turn everything off. Make sure to keep track of the time and focus on your task during these last 20 minutes. Once the timer ends, wrap up your work and prepare to finish for the day. Let's play this clip once more. Next, you can add additional elements or audio to enhance your project. For example, consider adding cheerful or upbeat sounds to give your video a happier tone. Simply select the audio or element you want to use and drag it onto your timeline. Adjust the placement to match your visuals. This process will make your project more engaging and polished. With just a few simple steps, you can transform your work, making it not only better, but also happier and more enjoyable for your audience. After you finish entering your information, click the Submit button at the bottom of the page. This will save your changes and update your profile. Once your submission is complete, you'll see a confirmation message on the screen letting you know that your information has been successfully saved. Next, scroll back up to review the details you've provided. Make sure everything looks accurate and correct any mistakes by clicking the Edit button next to each section. Double-check your email address, phone number, and any other required fields to ensure all information is up to date. If you need to upload a profile picture, click the Upload Image button. Select a photo from your device and wait for it to finish uploading. You'll see a preview of your new profile picture once it's complete. When you're satisfied with your changes, click Save at the bottom of the page one more time. Your profile is now fully updated. You can return to your dashboard or continue editing as needed. Click the Share button, then select Download. Make sure to do this before your video finishes processing. Once the video is downloaded, you can easily upload it to your social media platforms and share with your audience. Now you can design awesome Instagram Reels with Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.